In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get a verification code from the Google Authenticator app. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Now tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. From there, choose Manage Your Google Account. Next, go to the Security and Sign In tab. Scroll down until you find the Authenticator option and tap on it. Now verify it's you. Then select Set up Authenticator. You'll now see a QR code appear on your screen. Open the Google Authenticator app and scan that QR code, or tap on Can't Scan it. Now copy this setup key. Now go to the Authenticator. For privacy reasons, the screen might go dark during this step. Choose your email address, tap on the plus icon, select Enter a Setup Key, give it a name, and enter the setup key here. Tap on Add. Once the code appears in the app, copy it. Now go back to Gmail. Tap Next. Paste the code into the provided field and tap Verify. You should now see a confirmation saying that the Authenticator app has been successfully set up.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.